I would say that to improve the gut microbiome, we should go for clean and natural diet as much as possible. When I say clean and natural, I would say that when you go to a supermarket, you should actually shop around the peripheries of the supermarket because that's where all the fresh ingredients are stocked. Avoid going into the aisles because that's where all the processed and ultra-processed foods are kept. And I would say that in terms of diet, I would advise my patients to increase their intake of plant-based proteins, as well as to eat more fermented foods, and I'll go more into that later. I would also advise my patients to actually cut down their intake of red meat. We have quite a few options available in terms of fermented foods, both Asian and Western, depending on your preferences. For Asian fermented foods, I would recommend foods such as kimchi, tempeh, as well as kombucha, which has been gaining a lot in popularity amongst consumers and is a very rich source of probiotics. For the Western options, we have the traditional yogurt, which is consumed by many people, which is a great source of probiotics, as well as sauerkraut, especially popular in Western countries in Europe.